Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the Dropbox. You will go to settings, then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find Dropbox. In this page of app on file, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.